I'll welcome Ajay from DataMail. Ajay, if we can have you on stage. And guys, please welcome all of them with a round of applause, please.
So I will start by asking a repetitive question. How many of you know that you can have an email address other than in English language? One. So great. Two. So this is what I present to all of you, DataMail. So this is world's first technology in which you can have an email address in the language you want. So basically, in India, we have approximately 12% population which knows how to speak, read, write English. This is the data as per the Government of India. I have written the source in the below. You heard Mr. Rajiv Bansal in the morning, so I took his news clip. This is the data. So just imagine that a person who do not know English at all, how does he get his email address? Because he don't know English. So it's a real challenge. Then what we have done to solve it is to get onto the Government of India's initiative, in which Government of India has announced .bharat domains, which are right now, by the way, free, which they started approximately 1,000 rupees a year. Now it is free for all of you. So you can go to the registrar's website. In our case, it is godil.in and register a domain name free for yourself in all the 8 languages. Now it is possible to have an email address in a language you require. So now you need not to know English to have your own email address. And of course, this email address is possible to communicate. So it is about 89% of the population in India. Worldwide, it is 87%. So you are addressing the 87% global market, and in India 89%, who are deprived to have an email address, and now they can have it. We have not only done Indian. This problem is global. As I have already told, this language barrier is an issue globally, and there is no technology as of now, while I'm speaking to you, is available, which can offer you a linguistic email address. So India has taken a lead, and we have done it. And we are now available in these 3 languages also. So if somebody is interested in Russian, so he can have a Russian, Chinese, and Arabic are already on. I have already told why, and we have hosted in India. It's an iOS and Android, both are available. Completely secured, because it's very interesting. If spammer don't know how to read Hindi or how to read Marathi, so you will not get spams, right? So it's an inbuilt security. And we have done it on a mobile app. You can download a DataMail app free of cost and get an ID for yourself. Available for both. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Ajay.